Hi, Jeff here from the carbuyingtips.com channel. Today's video, we're going to show you how to replace the key battery in your Mercedes Benz Key Remote, the FOB here. And we're going to show you how to do it and have you back on the road in 2 minutes. And we're also going to teach you the secret trick to popping this Mercedes Benz Key Remote open. A lot of people don't know how to open this, and a lot of videos don't show you the proper way. Okay, to open up your Mercedes Benz Key Remote, change your battery, what you have to do first is remove this little mechanical key. And you see this little slider right here? That's a little latch, so you could slide it either with a little screwdriver there, or you could use your fingers. Okay, I'm going to show the screwdriver to show you. See how it slides over to the right and then the key just pulls out. This is your mechanical key right here. Okay, now that you have the mechanical key out, you flip your remote over onto its belly so that you're looking at the blank backside. This is where I think a lot of the other how-to videos get it wrong, because they don't show you this all-important step. So people are going to say, oh, you stick it in over here, you stick it in over here. What you do is you have to stick the key in way over to the left. If you're in the middle, it's not going to do any good. It won't work, because the thing you need to get at is right here. Just pop it up. See, it just pops right up when you push in. And what it's really doing is it's pushing up on this little latch right here on the inside of the lid. So when this is shut, boom, that's what pops it up. Now, when you go to change the battery, remember, usually the text side is upward with the plus on it. That's the positive side. It's usually the side with the engraved letters on there. So you can use any little tool, like a little screwdriver or something, to just pop it out. See? So there's your battery popped out. Here is your new battery, and all you do is just drop it in there with the text side up. Now we're going to take the lid and put it back on, and you see how it has these two little tabs on it? They're going to slip right inside here underneath the neck, and then it snaps down into place. Listen for it. Now you flip the remote back over, and you take your mechanical key, and it slips in right here where the big cutout is. And there you are.